Thank you so much. My name is Furaha, and I'll be taking you through CET333 product development. According to my user specification document, a local user, can be able to register for classes, uh, can book for classes, can change classes, and they can enter into a lottery if they so wish, which forms part of the promotional activities that the website is capable of doing. Other promotional activities are sharing information via social media, Facebook and Twitter. Well, this according to the specification document again. This website is supposed to be an international website, so it caters for three languages. So we have French. This is in French. Then we have German. This is in German, and then we have Chinese simplified. So that's in Chinese. So we'll go back to English because this is the default. So we'll go straight into registration of classes. So a local user can register for classes. So registration of classes. Mimi, surname Mimi. No, you can do something. You can register Nini, telephone number 1, Nini at nini.com, Alps region, say that so we register. So we will come and so Mimi can log in. Nini. So you can, as you can see, you can be able to see the password that helps the user, which also forms part of a heuristic. So log in. So Nini should be able to purchase a ticket, for example, 10 tickets and 2 tickets here. So buy. So 10 tickets does a summation. So 2 tickets buy. So Nini can remove, just again to slow them to remove, just in case they made a mistake, they can be able to remove either or both. So Nini can now Nini will just do a sum. So Nini should be able to check out Nini card, put anything 2021 CCV, that checkout. We slow down the user. So a message should be able to come. This is an encrypted message that comes from AES. I'll show you that in. It's actually somewhere here. This is encrypt in AES. This is the encryption that I'm using, so it's pretty secure. So this gives out for lottery as well as tickets. So we come back here. Yeah, so Nini was able to check out. So we come now to booking for a class. Let's see if Nini can be able to book for a local class. Nini, that's the password. So I mean that's the email in your Nini. So we have booking for volleyball, for example, number of say 200. That's local promotional. So we come here. So class is booked. Then let's see if Nini can be able to see the class. So you have a view. This is actually an add-on, nini at nini.com. So you've seen Nini, the 200 participants are here, and this is the time. And so let's see if we want to see if Nini can be able to change the class. So Nini at Nini 11. Let's go gymnastics. Let's take 23. Agreed. Change. Let's see. So it gives a message of the number of. So let's see if we can be able to see Nini, whether they can be as so gymnastics 23. So that works perfectly. So Nini now should be able also to give out to enter into a lottery for our friends according to the pact. Say Nini comes from there. Say maybe needs one lottery ticket. This should be able to give, slows down the user, gives a message encrypted as well, and it's going to be sent to this email. So that sums it up. So we've seen the local user. So we will now come to an international user who needs to buy tickets. So I'm an international user, for example. I can say buy tickets, and but before we go there, you can be able to share this information, which is part of the functional requirement. You should be able to share on Facebook. Network is a bit slow. Sorry, no. So share. Let's see. No internet. So anyway, we'll get back there. So there's no internet, so that's fine. So so that share works. So we can come to tour. So tour, you can be able to see the game schedules. For example, if you come to, you'll see the game schedules as part of the functional specification. You can be able to see the game schedule, and then you should be able to also come to help. This is part of again the functional specification. So we have lottery. For example, I'm looking for lottery information, so it gives me this. I'm looking for games. It will give me this. So this works. Needs a couple of working. If I had time, I would have done extremely well, but the time was a bit limited. And then privacy. Privacy also, a user can be able to request for their data to be deleted. For example, we delete Nini. Nini is nini.com. So select, say delete my then. So it gives you a message that it's going to be deleted. Yeah, so that works. So that's part. So we get back to we'll go to the admin. The admin should be able to, according to the functional specification, admin should be able to do a couple of operations. That works again. So admin can, for example, delete, add tickets, add games, delete an organizer. Let's see if we can be able to delete a staff member of ID 123, 1023, 2023 has been deleted. That works. Admin should also be able to generate reports. It's a user report. So this is the user. Yeah. And like you see, Nini is here. Then we go to local class report. Local class report, Nini registered for gymnastic 23. That's what we saw. And then we have tickets, which is very important in terms of auditing purposes. So Nini bought a ticket here, and this is what it is. So in terms of functional, so when you log out, you can sign in again. It will take you to the most important yeah. So we go back to home. So when you come to home, we should be able to share now. I think I'm seeing there's a network, so we should be able to share. You can take a tour, view information, share on Facebook, for example. So the share works, and then you can get back and you can choose to share on Twitter. So it brings this. So you could be able to sign up into a newsletter, sorry. So Nini signs into a newsletter. So it gives Nini a message, subscription successful, and they can be able to sign into the newsletter. And then you can also click on and see the kind of newsletters that there are. So these are the ones that were developed. I developed this to be able to for promotional purposes. And then you can, so that's basically what the system does, conforms to all requirements as specified. And then also one thing I did mention is that the system also, you could be able to say, for example, Nini. So this is the database. The database, for example, for this is, we go to checkout. So Nini wants to look at, for example, to search for a ticket. Uh, so so we will come here. So we'll come here. So Nini can be able to come to login. Nini, let's log in again. So Nini should be able to, for example, if Nini wants to see purchase history, this is an add-on. So Nini can come and put her ticket number here, and it's displayed. So that is, so you can be able to interrogate backwards. This is the email, yeah, and these are the functions of the system, fully conforming to the system. And so we have design heuristics, like heuristic number one, where the user knows where exactly they are, so you can see the change of color. And yeah, thank you so much. Hoping to pass this unit. Thank you so much.